Hello everyone, my name is Vincent. I work for the Office of Student Involvement, and today I'm going to be showing you how to update your roster on CatLife. And make sure that you are staying on top of your roster. It is very crucial for the Office of Student Involvement to get information out and to keep everything up to date. So when you're wanting to update your roster, the first thing you want to do is log into CatLife, and then you're going to come right here to these 9 squares. So once you come here, this is going to come down, and you're going to want to click Manage. Once you get to this page, you're going to go down to My Memberships, and whatever club or organization you're looking to update, what you're going to want to do is click it. And once you get to this page, the next thing that you're going to want to do is click these 3 lines. And then this is where you're going to have all your information if you're an officer of the organization. And to update your roster, you're going to click Roster. And right here, you can do multiple things. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to manage a position. So this allows for certain access to CatLife for certain chairs and officer positions. So let's go to the academic/scholarship chair. So here you can see you can change the officer type to any of these ones. You can change these two, and this is where it's most important, the management access. So right here, the academic chair has no access, so can't make any events, can't update the roster or anything on CatLife. All access, if it was selected, can update all of the events and can update the roster as well. And right here with limited access, you can select what this position can and cannot do. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you how to add or remove members. So to add new members, you're going to come right here to invite people. And you're just going to type in all of their UC Merced emails. And it has to be UC Merced email in order for this to work. So you do. And then if you want to add another person, you just click enter and then you can do it again. And once you have all of your members added that you want to invite, you can click add. And if you want to invite them as a member or an on-campus advisor or anything, or FSC delegate or anything like that, you can put it there. And then you're going to click send invitations. This will send it to their UC Merced email where they can accept it if they want to. All right. And secondly, to remove members, what you're going to want to do is select these boxes. You can select as many as you want or as few as you want. Once you do that, you're going to come right here and you're going to click end membership. So this would be, for example, if they graduated or if something happened and they're no longer a part of the organization or club. Okay. And next, how do you add somebody to a position? So you're going to come right here and you're going to search up their name. So in my case, I'm going to search up me. So I'm going to come right here. And once I'm here, I'm going to be able to click the little pencil right here to edit what I'm doing. So for example, if I'm also a professional staff, I'll click professional staff and click save. And once that happens, it'll send them another email where they can accept that one as well, and it'll update their positions right here on CatLife. So that's all that you have to know on how to update your roster on CatLife. I hope this was helpful, and thank you, everyone.